Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. Today, Erin will be sharing 3 cute and easy minimalist nail art designs that are perfect for summer.
Hey guys, it's Erin. Before I start any of my designs, I'm applying a base coat to all of my nails. And then for my first minimalist summer design, I'm starting off with this sheer white polish and painting that on all of my nails. You can do as many coats as you like, but I decided to do 3 to have a little bit more opacity. Then I'm taking a metallic gold polish and a small detail brush and painting a half moon shape at the base of my nail. Essentially, you just want to paint a semicircle at your cuticle line. Then with that same gold polish, I'm painting some gold lines coming off of the half moon to create a sun shape. This is just a really fun and elegant way to do a sun manicure that's perfect for summer but still looks really chic. Finish with the top coat and you're done. For this next design, I'm starting off with a light blue base. Then once that's dry, I'm taking a coral polish and a small brush again, and I'm going to be painting a small star shape in one corner of my nail. I like to vary where I place the stars on all of my nails so they end up looking a little bit different, so feel free to get creative where you place them. So I'm just filling in that star shape to make the legs a little bit thicker and make a cute little starfish. Then I'm taking a tiny dotting tool and white acrylic paint, and I'm going to be adding little dots to add some details to the starfish. I'm putting one dot in the center and then doing smaller dots coming off of each of the legs. Finish with the top coat, and there you have a really fun and beachy starfish mani. And for the last summer design, I'm taking a green nail polish and creating a French tip across my nail. Then once that's dry, I'm taking a small brush and some white acrylic paint, and I'm going to be painting a thin line on top of that French tip. Next, I'm going to be taking a hot pink polish, and this one is actually watermelon scented, so perfect for this theme. And I'm going to be painting another French tip shape on top of the white to create a watermelon. Then with the light green nail polish, I'm adding little lines across the dark green section to just add some details to the rind of the watermelon. Finish with a top coat, and there you have your simple watermelon tip nails. So there you have 3 easy and simple designs perfect for summer. We really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more from Cute Polish, you can click the boxes here to watch more videos, and click the circle here to subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week. You can also click the circle here to subscribe to my personal nail art channel.